Environment Canada has updated a severe weather bulletin for southern Alberta at 3:59 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Tuesday, July 6th, 2021. A severe thunderstorm watch is issued for the following regions: Drumheller, Three Hills, a severe